Hello student, in the earlier video I have just told you what is a macro. In this video I will tell you how to record a macro. To record a macro, first of all you have to go to developer tab, then record macro. At first of all you have to give a macro name by which you can identify a macro. Okay, you have to give a macro name. For now I am giving the macro name as ABC. Then you can see a shortcut key. You can give the shortcut key if you want, or you can skip, but always remember that if you want to give the shortcut key, do not use that shortcut key that we always use in our regular use. I mean to say, we use Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste, Ctrl S for save. Do not use that shortcut key over here. Use any other shortcut key, okay, if you want to use. But now I am not using any shortcut key. If you want to use, you can use. And store macro in this video I will show you what happens if you store a macro in this workbook. If you store a macro in this workbook, then if you record a macro, then the macro will work for only this workbook, not for other workbook. Okay, if I click here OK, then the macro will start recording. Okay, the changes that I will do in this worksheet, the macro will record. And I click here OK. The macro has started, and I'll do some changes in the worksheet 1, 2, and I drag it till 25, and I make it bold, all border, and center, and I make some color. Okay, I make some color, and I will now stop the macro. There are 3 ways to stop a macro. To stop a macro, you can stop it from here, one way. Second way, you can stop a macro from here, and third way, you can stop a macro from here. I am stopping the macro from here. The macro has stopped working. To know whether the macro that I have recorded is recorded properly or not, for that you have to go to Visual Basic. In the earlier video, if you remember, then I have told you that in the VBA project window you will find number of worksheet, module, and user form. Okay students, so you are seeing here is a user form. If you double click on it, then you will find a macro. Okay, the recorded macro that I have just recorded. Why you are seeing a macro under a module? Because this is a person's. Okay, example, always remember the macro is a name of the person. Every person lives in a proper address. Okay, this macro lives in under a module 1. Module 1 is the address, and under this address this person lives. Okay, so if I want to know whether the macro that what I have recorded just now is working properly or not, for that I have to delete it. Okay, I am deleting the macro that I have recorded, and if I run the macro, the macro will work. Okay, if I run the macro from here, you will see the macro will working properly. The macro is working properly, you have seen. Okay, so I think you have understood how to create a macro. Okay, if you have any problem, then say that I have this problem and I will try my best to solve your problem. Okay, so this video is till this, and I will shortly upload the next video very shortly. Okay, till then, thank you.